This tech tip video looks at how to quickly draw openings onto the facade geometry from a DXF elevation while working within the VE model. Let's consider drawing openings in terms of receiving plans and elevations from an architect. We know that when we go down to surface level in the VE, we're always looking at the view from inside the room, which is effectively a mirror image of the architect's elevation, and only for a single space in the building. We'll assume, for the simplicity of this example, that we have a DXF file of the elevation, and that this building has a flat facade which extends across multiple spaces on different levels. Once we've created all of the spaces in Model-it, we want to add the windows from the architect's elevation drawings. One of the simplest ways to do this is to go to an elevation view in the VE and measure the total model height. We then return to Plan View and draw a single space flush against the elevation where we want to draw the windows. We make sure to draw this space as longer than or equal to the full length of the building, with the same base height and a total height that is higher than the height we just measured. Next, we go down a level into this space, and then down into the surface that is against our model. This effectively gives us the same view as the architect's drawing of the facade elevation. Now, we can use the Model-it drop-down to attach the DXF of the elevation at the right scale, and then we can align the DXF of the elevation to our model. At this point, we can quickly trace over the windows shown on the DXF, remembering that if the architect has shown a single window spanning multiple spaces, we'll need to draw the window in panes for each space, because a window in the VE cannot span multiple spaces. We can draw the windows as rectangles or polygons as suits. It's a personal choice if we draw the windows by locking to the DXF and tracing them directly, or reducing our grid to a suitable scale to draw them all to the grid points, with the vertical grid set to align to the specified head height of the openings. Or we can use either of these options in conjunction with coordinate entry to ensure that the opening sizes match the specifications in the window and door schedules. When we're done, we just erase the spare space, and we can see that the windows remain neatly added to our model. Thank you for watching this video on how to quickly draw windows from a DXF elevation onto our model geometry within the VE. For further hints and tips on the VE, please check out our other Tech Tips videos.